The Marlins looking to snap an 8-game losing streak, taking on the Orioles. No score in the 6th until Mike Wright, the pitcher, with his first major league hit off Dan Herron. But Marcell Ozuna comes up throwing. Travis Snider is out at the plate. We remain scoreless all the way to the 10th. We go 2 on, 2 outs. Oliver Drake making his major league debut. He skips one up there to Marcell Ozuna. Danny Echeverria tries to score from third, but great hustle from Drake. He's able to slap on the tag. The umpires would review the play, call in the field stands. We play on. Bottom of the 12th, Brian Mattis on in relief, gets 2 quick outs, but Marlins manager Dan Jennings asked the umpires to take a look at Mattis' arm. They find a foreign substance, and Mattis is ejected from the game. Bottom of the 13th, still scoreless, bases loaded, 2 outs. TJ McFarland gives up the hit to Martin Prado. In the score comes Echeverria, and the Marlins walk off with a 1-0 win in 13 innings, snapping an 8-game losing streak. The two teams play the rubber match of their series on Sunday. Tom Kohler opposed by Miguel Gonzalez.